We are in Ross on Wye this morning to surprise John Smith with a brand new Ford Mustang GT and £20,000.
Okay, I'll be over in a second. Yeah, no problem.
John.
Oh my God.
Christian from BOTB, how are you?
Oh my God.
Nice to meet you.
You're having a giraffe.
I'm not having a giraffe.
Oh my God.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh, we're going in for the hug already. Why not? Why not? Well, come round, follow me round here. So did you think you'd win one day?
I knew I'd do it.
Yeah?
I knew it. I used to tell everybody.
Positive attitude.
Exactly.
Like it.
My factory's just burnt down,
I heard about that.
which has been absolutely devastating. So to have this sort of news is just incredible.
Well, I've got
Absolutely
something
incredible.
under the cover for you here. You're this week's winner of the midweek car competition. You just won a brand new Ford Mustang. We'll beat that.
Holy
And that.
oh my God.
Congratulations. Well done. Oh my God. What's going through your head?
Just utter disbelief. Last year, I had a bit bad news. My dad died a couple of years ago. I decided that life's too short. Bought my own Mustang. Spent all we've got basically on this Mustang just to live the dream. And
Now you've won one for
yeah,
a couple of quid.
yeah, and a bit of perseverance.
Well, Lisa said the car that you've got, as you said, you spent all your money on. It's on a finance deal at the moment. Well, you can send that back
Yeah,
because you just won a brand new Ford Mustang GT.
I'll keep the both, I think.
Why not?
One for the weekend.
Yeah, living the dream, as you say. So
Yeah.
what is it about these cars that you absolutely adore?
Well, I grew up in the era where the Dukes of Hazzard, Starsky and Hutch were on TV, so the muscle car it's just been bred into me. Yeah, so having a muscle car is just what more would you want?
So on the latest Mustang, you've obviously got all of the new kit in here.
Yeah.
New digital display in front of you. You've got the big screen there to your left. Just really brought it into the 21st century, this.
Yeah, it's incredible, absolutely incredible machine.
Do you want to fire this one up?
If I can, please.
Yeah, of course, yeah. It's nice, isn't it?
Fantastic, and that's all engine as well. So
Yep.
yeah, what a bit of kit.
What a bit of kit. That's exactly the words that have come out of my mouth. John, there is one other thing in the boot. John, not only have you won a brand new Ford Mustang GT, you've also won £20,000.
Come to the pub, mate.
20 grand and a brand new Ford Mustang GT.
I don't know what to say. Just don't know what to say. Keep playing. Keep playing. Just go keep doing
It's
it.
worked for you.
Yeah, do it.
I wanted to talk a little bit about your job because when I spoke to your surprise contact, Lisa, your wife, yesterday, she said that the last 2 weeks have been pretty crazy for you because the place you worked in burnt down. It's literally over there.
Yeah. We've been really busy anyway because we've been installing a lot of big machinery, and all of us guys have put a lot of love into doing that because we all really enjoy our jobs. And then all of a sudden the factory's gone. You wake up in the morning, it's gone. You're not sure if you're going to. Well, we still don't know now where the job situation is going to be. Hopefully we're going to rebuild and come rise from the ashes.
You are the man. I love your
Yeah.
positivity. You're positive towards, your attitude to your life and to your work, and of course to playing BOTB, which I think has probably helped you scoop the prize this week. So huge congratulations on this.
Thank you.
Where do you think you'll drive it first?
I'd like to take my wife away for the weekend because I think we both deserve a bit of time away.
Oh, amazing.
So take her away for the weekend. I don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. Just...
Your face says it all. You don't need to say anything. Utter shock, disbelief, happiness, joy, it's all there.
Yeah.
If you have to have the BOTB hug.
Thank you, mate.
Well done.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.